how to find the arc length. Now, before we answer that question, we need to define what an arc is, okay? So let's define what an arc is. So an arc is basically part of the perimeter of a circle, okay? So for example, if that's our circle, then an arc could be this part right here, right there, or it could be another part, say right there, and so on. And there's an angle attached to that arc. So for example, if this was our center, then there's an angle that you can actually draw for this arc, okay? So there's an angle. The question is, what is the length of arc? What is L? Okay, what is the length of that arc? Well, there's actually a formula, and the formula is pretty straightforward. The arc length, let's say the arc length L is equal to R times theta, where R is the radius of the circle. Very straightforward, right? So for example, let's say theta is, say, 30 degrees and R is 5 meters, okay? What is the arc length? What is the length of the arc formed? Well, all you need to do is multiply the angle and the radius. But this is important. That angle is in radians, okay? That's in radians, but we're given an angle in degrees, so therefore we need to convert that into radians, okay? So what is 30 degrees in radians? So angle is 30 degrees. Again, you multiply that with pi over 180, okay? And what does it give us? That gives us pi over 6. So that's our angle in radians. That means we can now compute for L. L is R, which is 5 meters, times R times theta, which is pi over 6, and that gives us 5 pi over 6 meters. That's the arc length.